Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel. Have you ever stared at a shelf overflowing with laundry detergents, wondering which one is the magic potion for your clothes? Choosing the best laundry detergent for you in India can be a daunting task from the vast array of brands and the promises made by them. It is a common struggle, but fear not, because today we are unveiling the secrets to finding the perfect laundry detergent for you, with the recommendations. We will explore 3 popular choices and key considerations to keep in mind when making your final pick. Also, for your convenience, we will include the links of the popular choices so that you can visit the product detail page of each of them for your own evaluation. First up, we have Surf Excel Matic Liquid Detergent. This option is suitable for both top and front-load washing machines, claims to effectively remove tough stains, and is available in various fragrances. It's also considered a value-for-money option. Next, we have Ariel Matic Liquid Detergent. Specially formulated for front-load washing machines, it offers deep cleaning action with stain removal technology and is gentle on fabrics and colors. However, it is more expensive than Surf Excel. Finally, we have Godrej Protekt Sensitive Skin Liquid Detergent. This option is dermatologist-tested and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for sensitive skin and baby clothes. It has a mild fragrance, but may not be as effective on tough stains as other options. When choosing a laundry detergent, consider factors such as the type of washing machine you have, the fabric type, and your personal preferences. Always remember to read the product label carefully before using any laundry detergent, and check online reviews to see what other users think. Ultimately, the best laundry detergent for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the video description for links to buy at the best price offer. Thank you for watching and have a great day every day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.